That's the presidential palace, the government building of Kazakhstan. Wow, I'm pretty close to this Baytrik Tower. You see the fountain, water fountains. Wow, this area especially, guys, you see it's lit up actually. So beautiful, so bright actually. I'm not sure if you can see me, I'm not bright just because of my skin color. I'm trying to be my own racist. Wow, it's pretty cold now. Wow, I'm coughing at the same time. Oh, my nose is just running. Wow, my nose is just running, guys. I think I need the tissues now. Wow, it's pretty close. It's pretty cold actually. Wow, I think I need to just walk into my apartment soon, very, very soon. It's pretty cold. Welcome to Astana, the capital city of Kazakhstan. It's so beautiful, wonderful. It's also pretty cold in here. It's freezing cold, guys. I'm at the Baytrik Towers in Astana, which is closed unfortunately right now. And this is my last day in Kazakhstan, in Astana. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, literally my body is freezing. My fingers literally are in pain actually. It's freezing, guys. As I mentioned, the temperature, the weather is pretty cold, very, very cold. I can't withstand right now. I think I need to just head back to my apartment as soon as possible. Just be locked inside the room. My fingers are freezing. Okay, so there is a coffee shop actually, and looks like wow, not just coffee. It's like this ice cream. Let's see if we can get an ice cream here. Wow, it's pretty cute actually. There's no people. There's hardly any people in this place. I guess probably because it's pretty cold. You see this tiny shop in front of this Baytrik Towers. Let's see if we can get an ice cream. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Wow. Do you have an ice cream?
Ice cream?
Ice cream, yeah. What kind of ice cream do you have?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. Okay, how much is the vanilla one? Alright, I'm in a small coffee shop, guys, at Baytrik Tower in Astana. Okay, one please. One vanilla ice cream in Astana. Wow, I'm just freezing, guys. I'm just freezing. Look at my glasses. Look at my glasses, guys. Oh, wow, I can't see actually. I can't see anything. Wow. Sorry? Vanilla. Yeah, one vanilla, please. I take my money out. My fingers are literally freezing actually. It's hurting. But I got no option. I need to just get back now. See how much money we got. Yeah, this is the last money, last local money. Oh, I think I have change actually. Let's take the change out. It's a big change board to have coins. So let's get rid of the coins. I'm also almost done actually. Yeah, take the change out. Wow. Can you see how much? There's a lot of change.
Okay.
Thank you, spicy bar. All right, thank you. It's pretty cold, guys, in Astana. I guess it's around minus degrees right now, just beginning of minus degrees. That's a lovely driver. It's very cool. My nose is just running right now, loosening up. I feel I just need to go into my apartment and just rest down. It's pretty cold, guys. Very cold. Actually, my fingers literally are freezing. I'm heading right now in a taxi to my apartment in Astana.